YouTube channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, this is Blossom May, and to my returning subscribers, you're welcome back. Do well to subscribe to this channel even before you continue, because this is going to be very great. This is going to be a great ride. So guys, we're going to be talking about the Orbi-20. Orbi-20 is a face cream, and most of us have used it, most of us know about it, so we're just going to be talking about it, saying things you don't know and even saying the things you know. All we'll combine it here. So guys, let's delve right into the video. So welcome back guys. We're going to, as I earlier said, we're talking about Orbi-20, and Orbi-20 is a small face cream. I'm just going to put the picture. I didn't find mine, so I'm not going to be raising mine up here. I'm just going to put a picture somewhere around for you to see. It is a small face cream. It is in a pack that looks big, but it is small. But notwithstanding, it goes a long way. Like little less is much. That's what Orbi-20 is. It is a small product, but you can use it for a very long time. So I'm just going to be glancing down, looking at the things I wrote down, so that I give you very concise review on Orbi-20. So Orbi-20 is basically for skin lightening. If you're a dark skin person, don't go close to it except you want to lighten your skin. You know, I will definitely tell you this. I'm not going to tell you to just try it. If you're dark skin, don't go close to it, only if you want to lighten your skin. If you are light skinned, fine. And then maybe you want to pop your skin, I'm going to tell you ways to use it so that the effect is not just going to be at once and then it looks like you're just going to change your color entirely. So Orbi-20 is a face cream that glows, smoothens, illuminates the skin, and basically the skin on the face. It addresses so many issues like acne, pimples, dark spots, sunburn, dark cycles, and other skin issues you can think of, or facial issues you can think of. So it helps in skin tone. If you want to tone your skin, your facial skin, then Orbi-20 is one good face cream you can always run to. It looks, or it feels like Shelly. I don't know if some of you know these Shelly products. That's how it feels when you apply it on your skin. It feels very light. It's not heavyweight. It's just very light on the skin, and then it's quite greasy. Yeah, it's greasy actually. And then it aids lightening, like I said, and it reduces the production of melanin, hence why it aids lightening. So guys, some ingredients in this, some source said the ingredients are a mixture of active vitamin C from natural fruits and special herbs extract. And then some other source gathered said it is made with glutathione, hence the reason why it lightens. And then it is made with collagen also, because it firms the skin. It gives you a very firm look, and then it helps for anti-aging. It also has vitamin C, Q10, and concentrated fruity acids. So there are things to gain when you use these Orbi-20. You get to lighten up, you get to have a firm skin. Like your skin is not going to be all slag and yeah, it's going to firm up, and then that's because of the collagen, like I earlier said. Then you get to have that very bright, in fact light skin. Let's not say bright here. It's going to give you a very light skin, you get. And then it also removes blemishes very well. If you have dark spots and then redness and dark cycles, all the skin issues, then Orbi-20 is really going to address it. That is very true. I've used Orbi-20 and then I know how active it is. Like if you have dark spots, right, try it out. And then maybe you're a light skinned person or you're close to light skin, then you should try it out. It's going to really help clear up all the skin darkness and redness. And then it gives you a fairer skin tone. Like it gives you that very fair, beautiful skin tone. So if you want to use this now without any side effect, or without people thinking that you just enter the bleaching products, if you want to use this for very great effects, you do not use it every day. And it is best used at night, because like I said, now it's greasy and it's shelly like. So if you apply it, your skin looks white, somehow white, just like you used a sunscreen with that gives white cast, but not that white. Do you understand? It just makes anybody know that you applied something on your face. It doesn't absorb into the skin immediately. So you don't use it every day. You use it and at intervals. You use it maybe today, you skip 2 days, you use it the next day, you use it just like that. If you use it every day, you're just going to whiten up, like in less than a week you're going to get all white, and that's not the kind of lightening anybody wants. You want a gradual and effective lightening, right? Hence why you should use it and give and space the days you use it. Do you understand? And like I said, if you're dark skin, please do not use it, else it's going to tone up your skin. It's going to give you a very dirty skin, you understand? And then if you're maybe bright in complexion and you want to use this, then still do not use it every day. If you use it every day, you're going to look like you're having eczema. Some places are going to be fairer, some places are going to be darker. Do you understand? It's going to be like patches. That is why you shouldn't use it every day. If you are a bright skinned person, then you should just use it some days and then you give a very long break and then use it again. That way it's going to go a long way. Like your small face cream is going to go a very long way. Like you will use it and even get tired of it. Do you understand? So guys, this video was not meant to be long. It's just a very short review on Orbi-20, and that brings us to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, and turn on your notification bells so that when next I post, you'll be the first to see it. Thank you guys, I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Damn, I'm so excited, I don't even know why, but maybe that's because I am talking to you guys. I love you.